Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a right-handed accordion flamenco. Now, assuming you've already done an accordion flamenco, this is going to be nice and easy because it's basically just doing the same thing in the other hand, which means the rotation goes the other way. I'll put a link to the accordion flamenco in the description below, and assuming you've done one of those, you're going to be able to rattle through one of these. It goes like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Easy as that. So we will break it down. Starts like a standard accordion, right to right. Semicircle back, offering the left to the lady, palm towards the lady. Ladies, you shouldn't be able to reach, so you're not going to try and take it until the guide brings it closer to you. As we come in, we get to the hand, we take the left over the lady, the right over the lady. So we've gone around for a piece of an accordion. What we're going to do from here is we're going to throw from the left hand through the middle to the left and release. As the lady goes round, guys, we're going to walk forward to the right. We're going to have the left hand out of the way over to the left. We're going to rotate so the guy's palm up. Lady's spare arm is out. It might not be, in which case you might end up with slightly different styling. But if it is out, we walk into it, making our arch. Ladies connect up to the guy because we've just made that contact happen. And then we're just going to walk for 1 and 2. You could walk as long as you like. I'm going to use the rotation of my fingertips at the top to create a return. And I'm actually switching hands so I can face the camera at the end, but I could just as easily have gone for a right-handed finish, ready for a right-handed move. Same thing from the other side, so we get the other view. Semicircle back, offer the hand, 1. Return the lady, 2. Preparation, 3. Throw through, 4. Walking, 5, 6, lead the return 7, and finish on 8. So let's try it together. Here we go. And 5, 6, right-handed accordion flamenco. It's offer, return, look, preparation, walk, walk, return, and finish. And that's it. That's the whole thing. Hope you find that useful out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Big thank you to everyone who does those things. It promotes the moves, the channel, and it makes sure that you don't miss any videos because it tells you when they're coming. Music recommendation on the end, something nice for you to practice to, comes up in the windows in the last few seconds of the video, as always. Thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.